Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Pilot SE. Those headlights don't flicker to the human eye, that's just a refresh rate on the camera, but the LED headlight surrounds look very cool. Go ahead and give that a listen. Super smooth. I'll go ahead and drop it and take you for a tour. This Pilot does have painted alloy wheels. Obviously has a power lift gate. This one's an all-wheel drive special edition. Does have a sunroof up there. Go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. Very roomy. Here's a shot of that rear. Control their own climate, and they have their own power supplies back there. Copy of the VIN. Driver presets. Okay. You see that it only has 2,175 miles on this vehicle. Here's your push to talk and your other trip computer toggles. You come over here and you also have your lane drift sensor you can have on or off. You also have paddle shifters on this as well. Come down here and you'll see that you have heated seats in the front. Okay, you also have additional power supplies. There's your shifters. Okay, and then you have your climate controls. Right now we have Bluetooth, AM, FM, Sirius XM. Let's see. And there we go. Okay. Then we'll bounce back home. And you can have navigation through Android Auto. Here are your other settings. In order to look at the backup camera, I simply pop it in reverse. And there's your backup camera and steering guides. Okay. When you come up here, there is your sunroof, map reading lights, and this is both a sunglass holder and a rear view into the back seats of the vehicle. Okay, and that about wraps it up for this Honda. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact of damage here in the front. The airbags did deploy, but there was no structural damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.